Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have been learning Italian for a while, and when I found this recipe, I really wanted to try it. I think it is a Italian cake recipe, so here we go. You want to start out with your sugar in a bowl, and you want to crack 2 eggs into that. Then you want to mix until it is a light, even texture and the sugar is dissolved, like that. Now you want to take your butter that is at least room temperature or more. You want to throw it in there in small chunks and then mix until combined. Then you want to add the vegetable oil. And the milk, I used almond milk for that. Give it a good mix. And then you're ready for the dry ingredients. So you want to add the flour and the baking soda. And you also want to add a squeeze of vanilla extract. Now mix until you have a nice even dough. You can see how creamy that looks. Next, you wanna get your lemon zest. So I did that by hand. You wanna add that into the dough and give it a quick mix. And last but not least, you wanna wash your grapes and you wanna throw them in there and mix them in carefully with a spoon. You wanna make sure you buy grapes without seeds, because otherwise it's really crunchy when you eat this cake and it's a bit weird. I mean, it's not really bad, it's just a bit weird. So then you wanna distribute it evenly in a cake tin. And you want to bake that with 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And then here you can see the finished product. It tasted really good. The grapes give a lot of moisture, and yeah, I was pleasantly surprised by this Italian recipe. So I hope you give it a try. Bye!